Hello, Moms Gang. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. If you're craving for some spicy Chinese food, then I got you. So let's make Schezwan Egg Fried Rice with the leftover rice. Yeah, we're gonna use all the leftovers today. So here are the list of ingredients that we're gonna go through. So we're gonna use some tomato ketchup, 1 cup of leftover rice. Then we're gonna use like 2 eggs, 1 onion, and 2 green chilies, which we're gonna cut in diamond shape. Then some Schezwan sauce, vinegar, and soy sauce with less sodium. So here are the list of ingredients again, just in case. To prepare any of the Chinese dishes, it is really important for the pan to be really hot. So first step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the pan on a high heat and let it sit for like a minute or two, and then we're gonna add like 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and let it sit for a minute. So once the oil gets heated up, so it is really important to make sure for any of the Chinese items to taste similar to the restaurant style, the pan should be really hot. To this hot oil, now we're gonna add like 2 beaten eggs. So once it's added, let it sit for like 30 seconds, let the eggs get fried, and we're gonna then scramble this in a circular manner so that the bottom part of the egg gets fried really well and it's gonna taste pretty good. So just try it in this way and let me know in the comment section below how the egg looks. Now to this egg, we're gonna add the chopped onions and the green chilies, which we have cut in the diamond shape, and fry this for a minute. Now add half a tablespoon of salt and mix this well until the onions get little bit brownish in color. So do not add more salt because we're gonna add anyways the soy sauce, vinegar, and different sauces which already has salt in it. So do not add it more, or else you're gonna have like more salty in taste. So now add 1 cup of leftover rice or freshly cooked rice. So I'm adding the basmati rice here, which I cooked last night. Now add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using the less sodium one here. It's up to you. I mean, you can use any kind of soy sauce. So just add 1 tablespoon of it, and then we're gonna add like 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. I love spicy food, so I'm adding the chili sauce here, but it's an optional one. If you want, you can add, or else no. So next I added like half a tablespoon of vinegar. Now the main ingredient of the dish, the Schezwan sauce. So yeah, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of spicy Schezwan sauce. So once this is added, we're gonna fry all this for 3 minutes on a high heat. So after 3 minutes, we're gonna add like half a tablespoon of salt, which is optional, it goes as per your taste. So we're gonna add like half a tablespoon of chili powder. So if you love the spiciness, yeah, I love spicy food, so I added like half a tablespoon of chili powder. Then I'm gonna add like some black pepper. Fry this for 2 minutes, then your spicy Schezwan fried rice is ready to eat. So this is really simple, you see. Like you can try the same dish using vegetables, with chicken, with egg, with any kind of meat that you want to. So that is it. This dish is so simple, you see, you can easily make it. My mom used to cook this during evening times when we used to come back from the school and we were hungry. Then she used to cook this for us with her own magical Schezwan sauce. And now, yeah, that's it. And this is how we're gonna do the plating. So you can add some chili sauce to the side, some onions, and a lemon. So that's all. If you like this recipe, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So we need your support. So please do let me know what you think about this recipe, and do like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, so please be safe, and do follow us on Instagram on this account. And always love your moms, and moms are the best. Until the next recipe, bye.